Testing, testing. Can you hear me? Let's see if we can see this chat. Show chat messages. I like this. So let's see. Beam, glamour. What's going on? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Give me some feedback if you guys can hear me, because I'm on my, I see you and hear you. Cool. What's going on, guys? So let me see if I could flip the camera. So I'm right here in the Toyota dealership right now. This is what it looks like. It's like 8 o'clock right now. Clear picture, huh? Cool. So let me see here. There we go. So yeah, let me see if I could. Nope. Cancel. Hold on, I'm getting this stupid thing in my way here. Can't. Whoa. Can't get rid of this. Oh, here we go. Got it. Okay, cool. So what's everybody doing tonight? So I'm actually, I'm getting a truck. That's what I'm doing. That one right there. Oh, cancel. That one right there, but a different color. What do you think? You guys like it? I look like I'm ready for church. This is what I look like. Well, I don't go to church as much as I should. So let me show you this truck then. How's that? I'll show you the truck. Getting the orange one. Give me a quick like if you're liking this. Yeah, this is the blue. I like the blue, but I'm going for the Inferno orange. Check it out. I'll show you the truck I get tomorrow. But pretty cool. Nice tires and rims. It's cool because it even has lights in the back. It's got little LEDs back here. Oh, and the rear window is also power rear windows. Pretty cool. Yeah, some lucky VIP member will win it. Yeah, right. Maybe later down the line. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's a nice heavy-duty looking truck. Somebody was telling me get the Tundra, but I'm like, screw that. Those things are so big. So here's what it looks like on this side. The orange one I'm getting actually has all of this, and here is all orange. It's pretty cool. And it has orange stitching. I didn't go and get the full out leather version, which is like crazy 45 grand or something. That's like too much. Yeah, these are really nice trucks. So if you guys are liking this, give me a quick thumbs up. I like these step bars. They're the Predator step bars. Pretty cool. So that's it, man. Just waiting to wrap up the deal and sign some papers, but this is what it looks like. Nobody in here. 8 o'clock on a Saturday. So just wanted to tune in quickly, show you what it looks like, and that's about it. I'm just waiting, listening to some audio books on my speakers here, my earphones. But thank you, buddy. Thank you, man. So yeah, man, I say, you know, it's kind of like a gift to myself. I've never bought myself anything new like this before, you know, especially a car. So I got my wife a new truck, but a new Highlander a couple of years ago. But this is, I figured, at least once in my life, let me buy something for myself new. I don't think I'd do it again. Maybe, who knows? Who the hell knows? But anyway, just wanted to say what's up, guys. Hope all is well. I'll be back on. Maybe I'll make another video tomorrow during the day with my actual truck. Would you guys like that? If you guys like that, and give me a quick thumbs up, or say something in the chat box. Yeah, it is. I love Toyotas. Blackguard should be black too. What do you mean by that? Here, I'll give you the beautiful view. Too bad these couches are in the way. Yeah, so I'll stream live again tomorrow, guys. I mean blue. Yeah, well, those I can actually paint. The sport model comes with those painted, but I'm getting the off-road package because I want a 4x4. So I could actually paint my little wheel things over there, those black. I could paint them the same color as the truck. So definitely we're going to be doing some cool ass mods on my on that new truck. I also want to put the hood scoop on it, so that'll be pretty sweet. So, all right, guys. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll stream live again with the new truck that I got. All right. Have a good night, guys. Have a great Saturday night. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. The freaking wheel things, the fucking mud guards, whatever the hell you want to call them. All right, guys. Have a good night. Cheers. Bye.